Rough diamonds can be confusing to identify, especially because many natural stones like quartz, zircon, and moissanite can look very similar. If you have a raw stone and want to know whether it might be a real diamond, there are several safe and simple tests you can perform at home. While none of these methods guarantee 100% accuracy, they can give you strong clues before visiting a professional gemologist. Now 1. Hardness scratch test, Mohs scale test. Diamond is the hardest natural material on Earth, scoring 10 on the Mohs scale. How to test? Use a piece of glass, steel, or a ceramic plate. Try scratching the object lightly with the rough stone. A real diamond will scratch glass easily without being damaged. Important, do not use too much force. Many fake stones like quartz will not scratch glass. 2. The fog breath test. Diamonds disperse heat very quickly. Steps: breathe on the rough stone to form fog. If the fog disappears instantly, less than 1 second, it is a good sign. If the stone stays foggy for a few seconds, it's likely not a diamond. 3. Water density test. Diamond has a high density. How to test? Fill a glass with water. Drop the stone inside. Real diamonds usually sink immediately due to their high density. Fakes like quartz may float or sink slowly. Hammer 4. UV light blacklight test. Many diamonds fluoresce blue under UV light. Steps: place the rough stone under a UV flashlight. A blue glow is a positive indicator. Note, not all real diamonds fluoresce, so this test alone is not conclusive. Sham 5 transparency reading test. A rough diamond usually does not allow clear light passage. Test: place the diamond on top of small text or a phone screen. If you can read letters through it, it is likely not a diamond. Real diamonds scatter light strongly, making them appear cloudy internally. Number 6. Conductivity test using a tester. Diamonds conduct heat and electricity differently from fake stones. Steps: use a diamond tester, cheap and widely available. Touch the probe to the stone. If the device indicates diamond, it is a strong confirmation. Check for natural characteristics. A real rough diamond often has sharp edges, not rounded, oily or greasy appearance, natural inclusions, octahedral shape or irregular crystal formation. Fakes tend to look too smooth or too clear. 8. Use a lake's magnification. Inspect these features: crystal structure, inclusions, metallic shine. Rough diamonds do not have bubbles inside. If you see bubbles, it is glass. Conclusion. While these home tests can give you strong indications if your rough stone is a real diamond, they are not 100% conclusive. For an accurate result, you should take the stone to a gemologist or a certified laboratory. Still, these simple home methods will help you eliminate many fake stones and understand the characteristics of rough diamonds.